Alright guys, this is just a 5-month review on my Rough Country 6-inch lift kit. Just wanted to tell you guys what I thought about it after driving this truck around for about 5 months now with this lift kit on it, and what my thoughts are. So to get started, I thought we might just talk about the things that I'm not happy with at first, just to get that out of the way. And so probably the number one thing that I'm not happy with on this lift kit is its how it affected my turning radius. I'll show y'all. So you see the sway bar here, the sway bar link. Better angle. Yep. You can see it's at a crazy angle there. Rough Country sent this new sway bar link, and it's longer. It makes the sway bar go up in that crazy angle there. Pretty weird looking, but issue it causes is whenever I turn the tire, it hits right here, and so that rubs pretty bad. You really lose a lot of your turning radius. You can't turn half as good as you used to with that. So that's probably the biggest thing that has been bothering me about it, is just the turning radius. That's probably the biggest thing. As you can see, you got a little bit of rust there on the spindle. It's not too bad overall. A little bit of rust down there, but you know, that's expected. Most of the kit is still looking pretty good, pretty new. It's pretty durable right here. On this side, the wheel broke off about a month ago. Broke off. The wheel bearing just snapped, and so yeah, the truck skidded on the road for about 100 feet. And as you can see, I thought that it totally trashed the brand new lift kit that I just put on there, but the lift kit still looks good. It's real durable, held up real good. So I am impressed with that. It is a durable lift kit. Not much for the back other than the I believe that is the 4-inch block they put under the leaf spring here, and then the longer shocks for the rear. That's about all there is for the rear lift. Lift kit definitely has improved how the truck rides. It has the in-3 Rough Country shocks, which, you know, they're not the best, but for the price they're really pretty good. The truck rides a lot smoother than it used to. Before the lift kit, I had some Monroe shocks, which they were pretty high dollar, but I wasn't really impressed with them. I think I like these in-3 Rough Country shocks a lot more. But yeah, it rides a lot better, a lot smoother. Feels real nice driving this truck. With the gas mileage has gone down a little bit. It's not horrible. Let me see. Getting 13.8 right now. So that's not bad. I mean, most of that's probably my fault because I can't keep my foot out of it. But the lift kit, it did take a little bit, but I don't think it was that big of a difference. I've taken this truck off-roading a couple of times now, to Hidden Falls Adventure Park. I've off-roaded out here on my ranch a couple times, and I mean, it's 2-wheel drive, so I don't take it very far, do very hard stuff on it, but it handles it pretty decently well. I feel more confident in this than probably a stock 4-wheel drive truck, just because of the ground clearance that this has now, and of course with the bigger, grippier tires. But it handles well. Of course, it would be easy to get stuck with only 2-wheel drive and open differential, but it rides nice off-road. Definitely ride a lot better if I put some Fox shocks on here, but for the price, the Rough Country shocks they're pretty good. So my overall review I feel pretty much the same right now as I did my first video reviewing this lift kit right after I put it on. I still really like it. I think it's a solid lift kit. It has a couple of things that I'm not a fan of, like how the sway bar links and the tires rub, but other than that, you know, it's a good lift kit. Rough Country's good. They get a bad reputation a lot of time, but they are improving and they're making better and better lift kits. Like this is a good lift kit. I'm happy with it. And the biggest thing is the price. With Rough Country, you pay for what you get. So they're not the fanciest, most expensive lift kit company out there, but if you just want to lift your truck, you know, you want a nice solid lift kit, but you don't want to have to pay an extra couple $1,000s to do it, Rough Country is definitely a good option. Now, I probably am going to be getting a newer truck here and hopefully the not too far away future. I don't know, I'm hoping I want to get a BDS. The BDS is like the best. They are pricey, but I'd like to get a BDS. But who knows, I might just go with Rough Country again because I've been impressed. But that's about it. That's my overall view after driving on my Rough Country 6-inch lift for about 5 months now. And I'd give it a 4 out of 5 stars, easy. So if you're looking to get a lift kit on your truck, definitely consider Rough Country. They're improving. They got good lift kits. So there's my review for you. Hope this was helpful. Till next time.